In case you can't tell, here at Altenew we love flowers, and we know you do too. This is why this year we are launching an exciting new challenge all about this fan favourite Altenew theme, flowers. It's a new year with a whole new world of possibilities open to us to create gorgeous new floral projects, and we are excited to see where your creativity will lead you in 2021. Each month we will focus on one flower and challenge you to create your own paper crafted creations with an Altenew project featuring that flower all month long. You may create a handmade card, scrapbook layout, journal page, home decor piece, or any other project of your choice. Post your projects on Instagram with the hashtag Altenew Flower of the Month for a chance to win one of 3 $30 gift certificates to the Altenew store. There is no limit to the number of entries you can submit. The more projects you create, the more chances you have to win. This month we are featuring carnations, the January birth flower and the first wedding anniversary flower. With their ruffled appearance and classic beauty, these flowers possess a charm and an allure that continues to captivate people around the globe. The meaning of the word carnation includes fascination, distinction, and love. Its use in art and decor dates back to ancient Greek and Roman times. Carnations may come in the colours white, red, purple, pink, and green. They are worn on Mother's Day, Teacher's Day, and St. Patrick's Day too. Our featured Altenew products for this month are Build a Flower Carnation Layering Stamp and Die Set and Paint a Flower Carnation Outline Stamp Set. Our design team members have created tons of beautiful projects on our blogs and YouTube channel that you can check out for inspiration. And that's not all, we also have some suggested theme challenges for you to try with the Altenew Flowers of the Month. Make a handmade card or gift for your child's teacher, or make a project for every possible colour carnations coming, or make a New Year's resolution themed project with carnations. We can't wait to see the beautiful paper crafting projects you create with this breathtaking flower. Are you ready to get started? Ready, set, craft.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!